Guys, here's another fun outfit that I'm working on, guys. If you can see, this is a pencil skirt, guys. And I literally got one seam going down the back, guys. And this piece is going to cross over the shoulders, guys. Crisscross over the shoulders, and it's going in a crisscross motion. So when you guys make this, you make your pencil skirt, it's going to be one seam going down the middle, and then the front, you're going to connect this piece, and you're going to connect the other piece opposite, crisscross it over, and it's going to go that way. So this how it should be, crisscross over like that, guys. And then this piece is the tube top. This goes in the middle, cover up your breast, kind of like that. I'm gonna put it on and show you guys. And then this little piece goes around your arm, and then this piece goes around your neck. So when I get done putting all these pieces together, guys, I'm gonna try it on, and you guys can literally make this outfit yourself. And as you guys know, my favorite, you don't have to do it in pink. You can do it in any color that you desire. So I'm going to get done putting this piece together, and I'll show you guys the finishing results. Okay, guys? All right, so I'm starting to sew it. Bye-bye. Guys, I'm going to get up and show you guys this dress. I still got a couple pins here. I got to make it a little bit tighter, but this was with some fabric that I had left over. I'm going to get up and show you guys the dress. I got to make this a little bit tighter. So this, I seen this dress trending on Instagram. I'm going to put the still shot in the picture, but it was like an actual video. So I'm not going to have. So it's made, if you guys see, this is a tube top right here. And then this is the skirt. And then this piece goes over crisscross this little arm piece right here. And then this little choker piece around the neck. And I put on these little shoes, guys. So this is the finishing results of this dress. Like, I had a little leftover fabric, so I tried. So it's okay. But yeah, I need to make this a little bit tighter because it's like kind of loose. I need to do a little alterations on that. But this is kind of what you guys have. So you make a pencil skirt, a tube top, and then you take a piece of fabric and measure out the width of your breast and connect it, crisscross it over the opposite way. Then you measure around your arm. You make this little piece for your arm. So this is the finishing results, guys. And I want to show y'all. I think I showed y'all in the other video. But yeah, I think I did. But the jeans, I wind up doing a little bit more to them, guys. If you guys see, I kind of took it around the pocket. And I think that that gave it such a better touch. Such a better touch, guys. So remember, you guys get this bling bling rhinestone. So guys, another DIY. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of the dress. So it turned out pretty good. So guys, when you do the measurements from down where your skirts start to crisscross over your chest and around the back, do the correct measurements. That's why I had to wind up going back and do alterations. But it was a fun little project to make, guys. It was very fun to make. So guys, this picture coming up, this is the model coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go, guys. This is how I got the inspiration. This was a model off of Instagram, and she was in the video. But see, that's the dress in black. So if you guys want to make it, that's where my inspiration came from. Thank you, sweetie, whoever you are, for the beautiful dress and my inspiration to make it. Have an awesome day, guys.